Warm greetings to one and all. So let me introduce about myself. My name is Mr. A. Jasmine Anthony Raj, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Applications, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. So today we are going to see about the concept data analytics. So what is meant by data analysis? So let me give the descriptions or information definitions of the data analysis. So data analysis is the process of inspecting, cleaning, transforming and modeling data with the goal of discovering useful information, informing and conclusions and conductions and supporting decision making, right? So first of all, if you want to know about a data analysis, we are analyzing the data. So what is the use of a data, how we can able to use the data? So that is the informations by doing an inspections, whether all the details which we are providing for a particular process is right. That is called as an inspecting. Next one is cleansing. So cleansing means removing an unwanted data, and next one is transforming. So transforming means if a data is there where we can able to use the same type of a data, that is called as a transforming from one place to another place. And next we can able to use for a modeling the data. So based on the informations, how we can able to do another type of another set of informations which is called as a modeling data. So all this have a clear goal of discovering useful information. So by using this type of data, we have to give a clear confirmations or conclusions, and we can be able to take the clear decisions by using a data analysis. So next one we can able to see the next point as a data analysis has a multiple facelets and approaches and encompassing diverse technologies under a technique, under a varieties of names, and is used in a different business, science and social science domains. So here next point comes as a data analysis. So here in a data analysis we are using a different or multiple facelets, means that we are using a different approaches or different scenarios. Next one can also you can able to have a different approaches. Suppose if we need to have a particular situations, so here we are not able to do a particular situations in a single point of view. So here we are seeing those informations or in those scenarios or in those situations in a multiple approaches. Next one we can able to have a technique of various names. So how can we able to define a particular varieties of names for a particular instance, and having a different type of different businesses and science and social science domains. Next point, in today's business world, data analysis plays a role of making decisions more scientific and in helping businesses operate and more efficiently. So here if you want to see about a current scenario, so here we can able to have a very important role for a data analysis. So it is used for making a clear decision making, and we can able to also move with that more scientific and helping businesses operate and more efficiently. So with the help of a data analysis, we can able to have a clear helping business operations, which we can be able to do a definitely we can able to have a clear solutions, right? So next we can able to move the next point. Data mining is a particular data analysis technique that focuses on statistical modeling and knowledge discovery for predictions rather than purely descriptive purposes, while business intelligence covers the data analysis that relies heavily on aggregations, focusing mainly on business information. Yes, next point it comes under data mining. So what is meant by data mining is nothing but it is a particular type of a data analysis technique, so which is used for giving a statistical modeling and knowledge discovery for predicting. So if you want to know about predictions, clear predictions can be able to do with the data mining. So that is the concept given over here, and we can able to have a business intelligence covers data analysis. So by having a data analysis, we can able to have a intelligence data analysis that roles relies heavily on aggregations, focusing mainly on business informations, right? So we can, by using these informations, we can able to have a clear cut of business information. Next one, in statistical applications, data analysis can be divided into descriptive statistics and exploratory data analysis and confirmatory data analysis. Let me repeat once again. So in statistical applications, data analysis can be divided into different types. So first one is descriptive statistics, second one is an exploratory data analysis, that is in short form we can able to call as an EDA, and third one we can able to call as an confirmatory data analysis. That one is called as an CDA. Yes, let me look into a next point. So that is an EDA. So EDA in the short form, so it can be an abbreviated as an exploratory data analysis. So this is an exploratory data analysis focuses on discovering new features in the data, while CDA means an confirmatory data analysis focuses on confirming or falsifying an existing hypothesis, right? So these are the different technologies where we can able to use in data mining. So next one we can able to see about an predictive analysis focus on the applications of statistical models for a predictive forecasting or classifications. So here prediction means where we can able to have a shortcut ideas. So how can we able to have a predictions? Suppose if you have a cloudy climate, we can able to expect the rain is going to come. So that is called as an predictions. So here we can able to have a predicting, forecasting or classifications, while text analytics applies and statistical, linguistics and structural techniques to extract and classify information from textual sources. So here if you want to know about text analytics, we can able to have those text analytics from the predictions of textual sources, a species of an unstructured data. So all the above are varieties of data analysis. Thank you.